Ants outnumber humans. There are approximately 1 million ants for every single human on Earth, making them incredibly abundant. Ants' super strength. Despite their small size, ants can carry objects up to 50 times their own body weight. Ants farming aphids. Some ant species farm aphids, protecting them from predators and milking them for sweet honeydew. Ant communication. Ants communicate through pheromones, which they use to leave trails for others to follow and send alerts. Ants bridge to safety when faced with a gap. Ants can form living bridges by linking together to create a safe passage for the colony.